peace lana out yami igame iphelile 3-0 Nduna Yami in favor of the peace out yami. Utiva njani ngemidlalo wanamuhla and imphumela uyibone njani bafana?
Ngijabule kakhulu egame namuhla idlalile the peace nasi siyabuka lamagame lesiwa kuwo betough bezama but besithe ilakhe emagoli but namuhla ilakhe bekhona sizamile ukudlala siyabuka iperformance be good ne passing accuracy siyabonga bo coach bethu ne technical team and the chairman team.
Out yami njengoba bafana badlale sona bekubaleke kangakanani njengenene balandzeli beni be the peace ukuthi nibona iqembu lenu liphumelela nga 3-0 game yokugcina ngibona nandumiso Mabhena akhola igoli lakhe lokuqala Nduna Yami.
Bekubaleke kakhulu mphathi wami ngoba nasithi siyabuka performance namuhla ndla wonke ama performance abekona efieldini and i-change ikhona sesiyabona bo coach bazamile tshintsha lapho nalapho shona usikhona improvement.
Nduna Yami litha kule game lena nidlale against Gomora United during the week 2 Nedbank qualifiers. Nduna Yami akuzange kuhamba kahle lapho it's been eliminated from that from entering that possible entering that tournament leyo Nduna Yami seniphumile kuthi kule game namuhla le kuthuka bekona ukuthi ngenteka ngingaphumeleli or niwine kule game yokugcina season.
Nasi siyabuka lo mdzana le game bematima ngoba bekuyijabi bezane crook ithima la ekhaya but i-change bekhona just i-game eGomora sifundise something ukuthi next time iluzi bakhona ngoba egamini kune win and lose but namhla sizamile just game eGomora isinikete something ukuthi sikhona kuyi-apply namuhla.
Uromantic sisi mbonga kakhulu Nduna Yami.
Sure.